Alrighty, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So, what I'm doing today, I had some errands to run. I had to go get an oil change in the, you know, good old Civic here. And my windshield's fucking, I can't see a fucking thing. But, I had to go get an oil change in this thing. Because I drive like a freaking crazy amount. Alright, so what I did, if you guys watched the last video that I posted, I bought a new brake hose for the truck. My stupid ass didn't put two and two together. Like I just completely spaced it that I needed to get the extended brake lines, or extended brake hoses, whatever the hell you want to call them. That's what the guy at AutoZone, I told him I needed a brake line for a 96 F-150, and he looked at me like he wanted to like strangle me. And I was like, dude, all right, brake line, brake hose, same difference, you know what I mean? I just want the one that connects to the caliper. So yeah, so he gave me one of those, and yeah, I had to order the extended ones online because they don't sell them anywhere. I didn't even try to buy them anywhere because I know they're not gonna have them. So I ordered those. Those are supposed to be coming tomorrow, which kind of sucks because I didn't realize this till Monday night. When I posted the video, I saw it and I was like, shit, I need the extended ones. So I ordered those from Rough Country. We'll see. A lot of people hate Rough Country. I honestly don't have a problem with Rough Country. They're probably going to be fine, you know what I mean? So I ordered those. I got both sides. I really only need one side. I might put both on anyway just to have it the same, because they look like they're like stainless steel instead of the like the rubber hoses. So if they're the stainless steel ones, then I might just put them on both sides, but we'll have to see. Also, all those bolts that I broke, I went to Home Depot, got all my bolts I was gonna need. So yeah, that's pretty much what I have to do. I think what I'm gonna do, and I really don't want to, is I'm just gonna take the leveling kit out and just run it with the 6-inch suspension lift and the 3-inch body lift, because I really just like have been going back and forth with myself if I want to try to make it work and whatever. And I know that it can work. They're just gonna have to, like, I'll have to get like adjustable camber caster bushings, or I don't even know if they do caster, but camber bushings. Pretty sure they don't do caster, but adjustable camber bushings, and shim the fuck out of it to get the alignment back straight. So I mean, I really just, it kind of like my truck, to me, if I don't have it and I can't drive it, it just kind of hurts a little bit inside. So I just really want the thing back on the road. I don't need to be fucking around with the leveling kit. I honestly should have never done that, but yeah, I'm gonna just take it out, replace all the stuff that I fixed, and keep looking forward to the future, which is putting the 38s on it. The other reason why I'm taking it out is because I already am going to have a shit ton of stress on the wheel bearings and everything else like that, with the lift that I was trying to run, which would be like an 8-inch suspension lift. I mean, for the twin traction beam front end on those Fords, they're not meant to do that. So yeah, it's just kind of, goddamn, I cannot see a single thing. I really need to clean this windshield. I just cleaned it like last week, but ridiculous. Alrighty guys, so leveling kit is out, laying on the ground now, and it looks like it's actually pretty level as it is with these new springs in here. It did obviously, you know, go down a little bit. It's a little bit lower than it was, you know, about 2 inches, but it with the new coil springs in there, it actually does look a lot more level than it did. So, and also my camper's not going to be as fucked. So actually looks like it's all right now, obviously because I took the lift out. But so that should be all set. So now I just gotta put all the bolts back in, replace my brake lines, and yeah, that's stuff we're gonna do tomorrow if I don't end up having to work. So yeah, I mean, hopefully the truck will be good tomorrow. On another note, this is my brother's truck that he just bought. It's like a 2001 Ram 1500. Needs a lot of work, as you can see, rust holes, and yeah, it's basically clapped to hell. Not entirely sure why he bought this truck, because I definitely would not have bought this truck, but he wants to fix it. So I mean, he's a grown man, so he can do what he wants, but it's gonna take a lot. But if this truck ends up getting fixed and whatever else, at some point I am going to be lifting it for him, so you guys can look forward to that if this thing actually does get the rust fixed. My dad can probably fix it, but I mean, it's going to be a lot cheaper because he's going to be fixing it. But look at this cab corner. It's completely fucking through. Like, it needs a lot. Mechanically, it's not all that bad. The transmission is blown, but it did just get rebuilt. I mean, it's not blown, but like, it got rebuilt and they didn't do it right, so they said they were going to you know, warranty their work and stuff. So really, mechanically, it's not bad. It has like 123,000 miles on it or whatever. Really, it's just a rust. So if that can get all sorted out, because I know it's a short box too. I didn't even realize it was a short bed. If that can all get sorted out, then at some point I will be lifting this thing for him. If I were ever to buy a Dodge truck, it'd be that year. That's like really the only year of Dodge trucks that I like. Except for like the real old ones, like 70s, 80s. Those look cool too, but I don't know, because that's really like the same body style as my truck. Like 2000, all right, so like 96 had the same body style basically for those trucks, and that's what my truck is. His is an 01, but it's the same thing as like a 96 Ram. So really, they're like from the same era, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, so I'm gonna turn this camera back on tomorrow, and we're gonna try to get this thing figured out. Like I was saying, it's not really all that lower, so it should be okay. Alright guys, so this probably isn't a bad thing. I mean, it kind of sucks right now, but it's probably better for it in the long run. I got this all the way on, literally like all the way connected, everything. I was being super careful not to break this line, these metal lines, because they're so rusty down here. And I was literally like on my last turn, and I split the line right there, like right at the fitting, which totally sucks. But now I'm just gonna need to get a new brake line and run it down, and it's just kind of a pain. Yeah, because I've been messing with this for quite a while, trying not to break that, and then I'm on like my last turn and I break it. So what can you do? I'm gonna try to get this one off now and see if I break this one too. That way I know if I need to buy one brake line or two brake lines. Okay, so I got my brake line sitting over there somewhere. Leaving Lowe's now again because I had to get this here. Whoa! I had to get those drill bits, not to do the brakes, but to fix other stuff. I needed to get drill bits for metal, so figured I'd get some new ones because my other ones suck. So now we're gonna go back to the house and hopefully get this thing together. It gets so dark so early now. Like, it's 3:30, it's gonna be dark at like 4:30, so I really need to freaking get there and get this thing finished, because I don't want to have to work on it another day. I want to finish it tonight, so yeah. Alrighty guys, so it's dark out now, so I'm gonna use my you know, Civic over there to give me some light, because I just tried to record this without using that, and it was way too dark for you to see anything. So Yeah, we got the brake lines, the brake line and the brake hoses in. They look a whole lot better than the black ones, because they, you know, it's like the nice chrome ones now. So that's all working. This rear brake drum right here isn't working. I don't know when it stopped working, but I noticed that it isn't working. So it works when I go backwards but not forward, so I need to figure that out. Also, so pretty much the only thing I need to do left, which will take me all of 10 minutes, is to drill the holes through here, put the retainer clips back in and put a bolt through them. That's literally all I have to do, but I'm not going to do that now, obviously, because it's dark. So, and really, if you know, look at the gap between this wheel well and this wheel well, they look the same, which they didn't before. So that's why I put the leveling kit in it. But now I think what was going on is that the springs, the coil springs that I had in the front, were just like old and they were sagging, because right now it looks like perfectly level. So, and my camber's not all messed up and it looks perfectly level. So I guess I didn't even really need the leveling kit. I just kind of figured, like, I didn't even think. See, like, my camber's not all messed up either. I didn't even think that, like, those springs could have been bad. But I mean, I guess they were. Either that or the rough country ones have a little bit more lift than the FabTech springs. I honestly have no idea. But yeah, so I mean, like, it's level now and I'm actually very happy with it. So it looks so much better being level. And it's crazy that I did this whole thing with the leveling kit just to find out that it was the springs. So I mean, it's probably good that I did it anyway, because I put the new springs in and it looks like I put the leveling kit in. So yeah. Alrighty guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, hit subscribe, follow me on Instagram on the screen right now, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you all for watching.